In this lesson, we will discuss properties of whole number addition. So first I will explain to you actually what is whole number. Whole number means there is no fraction or decimal part, right? If I say suppose 456, it is a whole number. If I will say right 7, 8 like this, a long number, it is a whole number. If I will say suppose 468.20, this is decimal, this is not the whole number. And there is no fraction. Fraction means like this, right? 4/3. No fraction, no decimal part is called the whole number. So we will discuss the properties of the whole number. So first property is the closure property. So closure property says if A and B are any two whole numbers, anything, right? Suppose we have A and we have B. Suppose any, this one is any whole number and B is another whole number. This is the whole number, right? A and B are any whole numbers, then A plus B is a unique whole number. See, when I will add these two, it will be a unique. If I will say add million and billion, we can add million and billion, but we will get a unique number. This is called the closure property. So simple, right? Then is the commutative property. Very easy. If A and B are any two whole numbers, right? A and B, you can write down X and Y, S and T, whatever. A and B is journal. A and B, any whole number. So, suppose if I will say A is equal to 2 and then plus B is equal to 3. I can write down 3 plus 2. We will get same answer. 5 equal to 5. This is not the unique number. Here in this case, we will get a unique number, right? Is a finite. We can count it. We can add it. If I will add this plus this, yes, I can add it. But we will get a unique number. This is called the closure property, commutative property. If A and B are any whole number. If I will write down, suppose A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, right? A and B equal to 20 plus 10. I can write down like this. Here I have mentioned 10 first and then 20. Here 20 first and 10. But the answer is same. This is called the commutative property. Then is the associative property. If A and B and C are any whole numbers, right? Any whole numbers. So we can write down like this. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. It means suppose if A is equal to 2, right? Here B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. What we will get? First you have to add this, whatever is inside the parenthesis, 7 and this is 9. But it is means positive, so you can add, but this is the proper way. So 7 plus 2, 9. Here A is first, so we have 2 and then we have 3 plus 4. Inside the parenthesis, we have A plus B. Here we have B plus C. But when we will add these two, 5 and 4, 9, this is same. This is called the associative property. Here in commutative property, we can say A plus B equal to B plus A, right? There are two variables, but in associative property, we have three variables. You can write down any two inside the parenthesis, the answer will be same. This is the associative property, right? One more example, suppose instead of A, I will say this is 4, B is 1, C is 2. So 3 and this is 7. Same thing. A is 4, here B is 1 and then C is 2. It will be 5 plus 2. But it is 7. Here is 4 plus 3, it is 7. This is the associative property. And the last is very easy, additive identity property of 0. If A is any whole number, write A. It is called a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, which is equal to a. A is any whole number. Suppose we have 10. So 10 plus 0, we will get 10. Or 0 plus 10, any whole number, we will get 10. So which is equal to a, and a is also 10. This is called the additive identity property of 0. Right? So in this lesson, you have learned the properties of whole number addition, which are closure property, right? When we add two variables or two numbers, we will get a unique number, is called the closure property, such that I will say add million and billion together. We can add, but we will get a unique number. Commutative property, a plus b is equal to b plus c, sorry, b plus a. You can write down a first or b first, you will get the same, but there are two variables. In associative property, we have three variables. First, you have to calculate whatever is inside the parenthesis, you will get the same answer. And the last is additive identity property of 0. A plus 0, anything plus 0 will remains the same, whatever you are going to add. If still any point is not clear, without any hesitation, write down in comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.